Every 2 years, the board of the Southern African Communication Industries Association hosts a strategy workshop to assist in plotting out Sacia's future activities. Sacia is the largest association for the communications industry across Southern Africa. This event provided valuable input from both members and invited non-members, all of who are involved in the broader communication industry. This workshop includes members of the association's board and councils, as well as academics, trade unions, interest groups, and regulatory bodies active in the communications sector. Sacia used an independent facilitator to ensure that all participants had an equal opportunity to provide input without any bias from the established leadership. The facilitator for this year's event was Dr. Anton Baumol from Caboodle Leadership in the United Kingdom. Dr. Baumol is an academic and practitioner with vast experience promoting creative leadership in complex environments. Kevin Jones opened the 2018 event, sharing some of the highlights and achievements of the past 2 years. This was followed by additional feedback from each of Sacia's councils. Respectively, they described their achievements, the challenges they faced in the market, and their vision for the future. Dr. Anton Baumol broke the participants up into groups, and this initiated a series of robust discussions on the internal and external challenges facing our industry. Some of the key challenges include a failure by industry to embrace a commitment to professional standards and safe working practices, disappointing support for transformation and Black economic empowerment, the complexity of securing funds from government bodies whose prime purpose relates to training and skills development, and a reticence by the freelance community to participate more fully in association activities. Having established some of the challenges, Dr. Baumol then encouraged the groups to consider how these challenges impacted the association's current and future activities. The outcomes of this meeting provided input to the board so they would be better equipped to review and update the association's objectives, ensuring that the association's long-term strategic vision is better aligned with the needs of the industry, as well as being in line with the association's constitution and the requirements of the National Qualifications Framework Act, with particular reference to their responsibility as a SAQA recognized professional body. In terms of the Act, Sacia is required to promote public understanding of and trust in professions through the establishment of professional designations, work with the quality councils to ensure curriculum development is aligned with industry trends and the needs of employers, support the development of a national career advice system, encourage the development and implementation of continuing professional development, act as an assessment quality partner to ensure education standards and assessment criteria are consistent across all training providers. The feedback from the participants was very constructive, and Sacia now have a clear idea as to what needs to be addressed in order to move forward. The one element which was particularly notable was the participation of a number of people involved in the freelance community, who had some valuable suggestions to make with regards to the way forward. In order to fully assess the outcomes, it will take some time, and the board are meeting on a regular basis to use this information to plan the way forward. This has been a very valuable exercise, and the board of Sacia would like to thank everyone who participated in this workshop strategy session.